First on our list is the fascinating world of octopuses. They are sea geniuses with 3 hearts and blue blood. In danger, they can detach an arm. Talk about giving an arm and a leg for survival. Next, we dive into the realm of dreams. Humans and animals share similar sleep cycles and dream states. So the next time you see your pet twitching in their sleep, they might just be chasing a dream. Let's step into the universe of plants. Bamboo, incredibly fast-growing, can up 3 feet daily. That's a 3-year-old child's height, grown in just 24 hours. Let's shift gears to the world of music. The performance of John Cage's As Slow as Possible began in 2001, ending in 2640, a 6-century-long concert. Lastly, we venture into the world of technology. The first computer was enormous yet weak. Imagine trying to fit that into your backpack. There you have it. This world is a blend of wonders and oddities, from peculiar animals to fast-growing plants and ancient technology. These facts prove that reality often surpasses fiction. Keep exploring and learning. Surprises await.